Hi there, students. A Derrick. Okay, a Derrick. We use this nowadays for two fairly similar things. Firstly, we use it for a type of crane. You know these cranes that they have to load and unload ships. Normally there's a post going up and then another post that comes out which is movable, and that picks things up and moves them and drops them, and that is a derrick. You've got one pole in the middle and a rope that goes to this, and then another pole which you can move round and you can lift things up with it, and that is a derrick. Yeah, it's got a boom that is hinged at the base, and this is a derrick. Also, a derrick is the structure that is used for an oil rig. When drilling for oil, you know they have this big tower. Well, this tower is the derrick, and this is used to lift up the drilling equipment, or lift up the tubes and to drop them down, and that is also called a derrick. Okay, that's an oil derrick, but the simplest type of derrick is something that you will see in any port. It's been around for a long time. It's a very simple way of lifting and maneuvering, moving around heavy objects. Now the origin of this is actually quite interesting. It comes from a person called Thomas Derrick. Now, Thomas Derrick was an English executioner about 1600. He used to kill people, he used to hang people or hang bodies, and he invented this derrick to effectively to move things around, to make life easier for the executioner, for the execution, probably when they're executing various people at a time. And the name of the derrick has actually come from there. But a derrick, it's effectively a type of crane, a machine for hoisting and moving heavy objects. You've got a boom and it's got cables and pulleys, and normally it's fixed to an upright beam which is fixed. Okay, and then a framework over a drilled hole for an oil well, for example. So a derrick, a type of crane, yeah, to lift things. There are derricks everywhere. Most cranes nowadays are some type of derrick. Okay, and that's the idea of a derrick. It's something to lift things and move them around. So, formality, a derrick. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. It is what it is. So you use the word anywhere, and as I said, from Thomas Derrick, an Elizabethan executioner. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A derrick.